What up guys? It's a great day today because I'm going to pick up my new car. It is 4:47 right now. I'm going out to the airport and I'm gonna be picking up the car in Atlanta, Georgia. It's gonna be quite a ride. It's gonna be about like 2.5 hour plane ride and it's gonna be about like 13-hour drive back. So it's gonna be an experience and you know, I'm glad to have you guys coming along. All right, so my Uber is right outside. Thanks buddy, take care. I just arrived to Atlanta and the guy's picking me up here.
Meet you.
What's a hex key for?
No idea. One can't really piss me off
Alright guys, a little update. Obviously you can tell that I'm in my new car. Well, new to me. It's a 2006 Evo 9. You have no idea how excited I am. Oh my, just to like finally get the car of my dreams. Like I've been wanting this car for a very long time. Ever since like the Too Fast Too Furious, obviously, you know, and Tokyo Drift. So I can't believe I actually own one now. I'm driving back now and you can see it's gonna take me 12 hours and 15 minutes. It's gonna be quite a drive back and hopefully everything's gonna be all good. Obviously I'm going to stop in multiple stops, making sure, you know, the oils are good. I have some oils in the trunk just so in case, but I mean, hopefully everything's good. The seller told me everything's good, no leaks, everything checks out good. Engine is running smooth like butter. And yeah, he's actually right, like the engine sounds great. It shifts really well. No ACD problems. There's no grind on the gears. So yeah, let's see how the drive is back. I'm probably gonna try to drive for like 3 hours and try to find like a next service stop just to get a little breaks. All right, so I've driven about 3.5 hours straight, about 236 miles on the car so far. And it's been running really smooth. No problems whatsoever. So yeah, I'm happy about that. But yeah, right now I'm pretty tired. Probably gonna go get something to eat on the next service stop. I haven't eaten all day. Been up since 4:30 in the morning, and it's 3:30 right now. Still got 8 hours and 47 minutes. I was just gonna go to the next service stop, grab some to eat real quick, fill up, and I'll give you guys like a little walk around of the car. All right, so I just had a little break. I filled up. It took about like $30 to fill up, but I wasn't like totally empty. But surprisingly, got pretty good with gas mileage. It's all highway. I was getting about like 25 miles per gallon. Yeah, so I just ate McDonald's, so I'm like all fueled up right now. Sorry guys, I didn't like show you guys the walk around, but I'm pretty sure you guys saw the earlier clips of this video that you saw the car. But that's pretty much how it is. Like I said, it's an 06 Lancer Evolution 9 MR, and it has 97,800 miles so far currently as I'm driving. Yeah, so 97,803 miles so far, and I have got about 560 miles left to go. And yeah, I'm gonna be back home. That ETA says 12:49 a.m. and that's why I'm in a rush trying to get back home. I'm not going above speed limit and everybody's still passing me. Just trying to drive safe. I want to make it back home alive, making sure the car is in good condition. I don't want to beat it and get stranded in the middle of nowhere. So we're finally halfway through, only about 6 hours left, and so far car's running good. No problem so far. Just a little bit tired and weary. Probably gonna stop by for the next service stop for just to fill up. Yeah, I'm extremely tired. My back's aching. My legs are so cramped that I had to switch legs. So my left leg is actually holding the gas pedal right now, while my right leg is getting a little bit of rest. It's beginning to get really sore. It's cold. Alright, let's get back on the road. Alright, I don't know if you can see this. Yo, those headlights are like crisp. So that was a good stretch. I'm in Virginia right now. 4.5 hours left on the trip. Been a long day. I'm tired. Can't wait to get home and fall asleep right on my bed. So far the car's been running great. Been driving for the past 8 hours straight, 600 miles, and there's absolutely no issues. It's amazing. It's pretty darn reliable, if you ask me. 24 minutes. Been a long day. Yeah, I can't wait to go home, take a nice hot shower, and just fall right to sleep. Once I get home, I'll show you like a little quick walk around of the car
tomorrow.
So yeah, it's a new day. I didn't film when I got back yesterday because I was extremely tired, so I just came back home, knocked out. I didn't even get a chance to show you a quick walk around of the vehicle. It's a 2006 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 9 MR. It's a little dirty right now still because obviously I came back from a 13-hour drive yesterday. And speaking of that, 13-hour drive, 850-ish mile, no problems whatsoever. It didn't break down on me, no check engine light, nothing at all. Everything just runs perfectly smooth. Everything is pretty much stock. The only thing that the previous owner did, or the other owners, they have a aftermarket intake and exhaust and quick spooling, or I don't know what the point-on plugs are, but I'll show you that just in a second. As you can see, the clear coat on the spoiler, it's absolutely in pristine condition. A lot of the times the clear coats on these carbon fiber, it tends to peel, but this, it's in like great shape. There's no peeling whatsoever. Here's the trunk. It's got the Lancer Evolution MR badge. I'm still deciding on keeping this and just putting on the Euro badge right here. It says Evolution IX, and then maybe put like a MR badge right here. And it's got the JDM rear bumper. And a good thing about this is that it has the rear crash beam in there. So a lot of the times that people put JDM rear bumper, the USDM crash beam doesn't fit, so they had to either modify it or just like leave it off. A lot of times people just leave it off, but so I'm pretty lucky whoever put the rear JDM bumper on did in fact put the rear crash beam on. HKS turbo back exhaust. Yeah, the taillights, like I said, everything in this car is in pristine condition. There's absolutely no dents, no scratches, no rust. Everything is perfect. Everything works the way it should. The Vortex generator, short stubby antenna, and this is the BBS wheels and the calipers. As you can see, it's not chipping or turning brown. A lot of times if you see the calipers turning brown, that's an indication that they went tracking. Both sides of the calipers looks really good. Here's the front. It's got the SC lip, and it's a little dirty right now, but I assure you this is in pristine condition. There's no chips, no dents on the front bumper. Headlights are amazing for its age. I'm surprised. Like, this is a 14-year-old car right now, close to 14 years old. The headlights is like crisp. It's so clear. There's no hazing, no yellowing. Same thing on both sides. Just to show you the condition of the car, it's amazing. I don't know what to say. It's really hard to find an Evo 9, being that it only came out for 1 year, and finding a white color is even harder, and finding a stock unmolested engine is like just unheard of. This car is perfect. It's like a rare find. Let's go inside the car. It's got the Recaro seats, stock Evo 9 seats, the Momo steering wheel. Everything works. Power window, power locks, everything works great. ACD button, everything works the way it should. No problem. I drove back 13 hours yesterday. There's no lights, nothing. The only issue that I have is that these gauges, these lights, those doesn't turn on. The light bulbs probably burned out. If there's a good aftermarket light bulbs replacement for these, let me know, comment down below. And the only thing, I'm not sure if it's my specific Evo, or just all Evos in general, that these dash lights at nighttime, they're pretty dim, especially like on this side. I'm not sure if that's normally how it is. At nighttime, you can barely see it. You can see some, but like, it's not bright enough. It came with these Clarion single dash with a pop-up monitor, which is complete trash. I think it doesn't work that well. Yeah, the car is in great shape. It's got like this carbon fiber e-brake with a little carbon fiber up here. Back seats are in like great shape as well. So yep, this is the hood, the infamous 4G63. As you can see, it's pretty stock. There's no rust. Got an aftermarket intake. It's got the spooling up coil-on plugs. Besides that, that's it. Everything else is stock. As you can see, it's in great shape. Such an iconic car. The previous owner gave me this a set of Pioneer head unit, just in case I ever want to swap it out. I don't know, I gotta do some more research if I want to stay with single din or go with a double din. And he actually was kind enough to give me some oil on the way back from the trip, just in case if there's any oil leaks or if it's low on oil. He gave me like this funnel, and I believe these are the stock coil packs. So that's really amazing. And this is the cover for the coil packs. Yeah, I mean, overall, I'm in love with this car. I can't believe I own an Evo. It's been my dream of mine since I was young. But yeah, like what better time to own an Evo than now, right? And if you want to see more of this Evo build or project, just make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Peace out.